In this video, we will learn how to use switch case statements in Angular HTML template. Let's see how we can do that. Here we are using the same application and it is running on the browser. This is the output of this application. Now I want to implement switch case statements on top of this page. In the HTML file, let's create a div. This is a parent div. Inside this div, I need child div. So here I am using p tag to display some message. Let's say message will be hello from 1. I need 4 div. So let's copy this child div and paste it below that 3 times. Let's update the message. And this will be default. Save the changes. See here, this is the output of this code. Now I want to render these messages based on some condition. In component file, let's create one variable. Let's say variable name my value and assign the value 1. Save the changes. If the value is 1, I want to display this first message. If it is 2, I want to display the second message. If the value is 3, then I want to display this third message. If the value is none of them, then I want to display this default message. We can handle this situation by using ng if and else. So this is the first approach. In second approach, we can use ng case. To use the ng case, we have to use ngSwitch statement in parent div. So here in the square bracket, we can write ngSwitch. In the expression, we can use this variable. So copy this and paste it here. We have created a switch statement. Here we have created a parent div. Inside this parent div, we are having 4 child div. In child div, we are using p tag to display the message. Okay, now we have to create switch cases. So in the child div, use prefix, then type ngSwitch cases. Let's say 1. And let's do the same thing for remaining child div also. In the last div, we will use ngSwitch default. Let's update the value 2 and then 3. If the value is 1, this part will work. If the value is 2, then this part will work. If the value is 3, then this part will work. If the value is none of them, then this part will work. Okay. Now, see here, we are having the first message. Now, change the value in the component file. See here, we got second message. Then value 3. We have a message from third part. Then update the value 4. This 4 does not match with these cases, switch cases. So in this scenario, this default section will work. That is why save the changes. Here we are having the default message. This is how we can use ngSwitch Directive in Angular HTML template. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this.